Hi, kids. I'm your dad.
Yeah, well, take a good look at him because you're probably not going to see him that often. Wow, true to form, you miss it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's up for a swim? What's the matter, Ida? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, you dumb cluck. It's the big one.
Let me take a look at that egg again. Yup, definitely a turkey. You'll never get it to go in the water. You should just leave it. Oh wait, cut that out. Come teach the other ones to swim properly.
No, you go teach the other ones to swim properly. I'll just stay here and sat. I mean, I've sat for so long, a few more days won't hurt.
Whatever you say, dear. All right, kids, last one to the lake's a coop. Hey, wait for me!
2, 3! I got beat down! I can't believe a turkey's egg would fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grade of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, but there's different, and there's different. Butterball? Does that bother you at all? No? How about water? Would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. Oh, okay. Now, your father has taken the others for their first swimming lesson, so how about we do the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. Oh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is to not be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we go out to that island over there?
Good gracious, no. That's a lot farther than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting. And I didn't mean to go that far then. Are you ready now?
I'm ready.
Good. Just do as I do, and you should take to it like a duck. You should take to it. fishing line.
Fishing line?
Which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high. As if free from all troubles, your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottoms and bubbles just keep paddling like the crackers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while sleeping. To be dreaming and calm.
Just beneath the surface, they struggle to get by.
But nothing can deter you if you hold your head up high.
There you go, dear. That's much better.
Now, what did you mean when you said I wasn't like my sisters? What is different?
Well, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
Really? You think so? And what else?
All that you must remember is that it's what's on the inside that counts, not on the outside. Now, where did your sisters go? They would. Oh, there! Hi! Come here! Hi! Where's your father? Where'd he go?
What's marmalade?
It's sort of an orange preserve, often found on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Oh dear. All right, Ida, I want you to come towards me very slowly. No sudden movements.
What are you quacking about now?
There's something behind you. Something not nice.
Oh, sweetie, this is your son!
I created a monster!
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your regular run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all.
That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
I know, dear. And if I were you, I wouldn't brag about it. I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He is not a turkey, okay? He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce!
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want all of you to get spruced up. It's time to meet the other members of the duckyard and become educated in the ways of the world. Drake, stop staring.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now, come along, all of you, and stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are bandy and the knees are not. Look at him.
Dad was obviously eggshell shot.
so rude.
Ew, touchy.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen Reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you stare them off. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Gladly still he won't be missed. They think he's a fraud. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
In a moment, you will be presented to her grace. She is the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you may notice the red band of cloth around her head. That is the most distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she is looked up to by both man and animal.
Now, don't turn your toes in, just bow politely and say, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Honk!
Look at him. Come on, I can tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. Don't you see what you've done? You're too late. This stuff God would be so boring. We all looked the same.
Look at him.
Look at him.
And be thankful that he's not your kid.
You got him as a brother. Look at him.
The way the dodo
And he's
did.
worse than any other.
That he worked designed to show. After he did. He should form a soul of what?
Look at him. Look at me. Look at you. You'll agree. Anywhere you look will be less grim than a wind. South is wind the winds. Congratulations, Ida. They're delightful.
Thank you, Your Grace.
Now tell me, that big fellow over there, whatever happened? He's not exactly your classic adorable Disney character.
I wish people wouldn't make fun of him so. I mean, he'll turn out all right as he gets older.
Well, the others are a triumph, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year.
I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly.
He was a fine duck, the mandarin, but at last he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life goes on. Now, I understand Maureen saw the children from the farmhouse throwing French bread into the water. Ta-da! You have to try it. It's so much better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
Yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Come along, children, try this.
Make way for the red-banded duck.